Well, turning now to the coronavirus. As some schools in Maryland return to in-person learning, Baltimore County Public Schools have remained online, a move that is upsetting some parents.
And tonight, as parents hold a rally pushing to reopen the building, school leaders say they can't do that just yet.
Rachel Carden is live in Baltimore County with why and what's next for staff and students. Rachel.
Well, parents say they just want a plan. They want to know that their kids are eventually going to be back in the classroom, even if it's with a hybrid model. And they say the school system doesn't have a clear timeline on when that's going to happen. Virtual learning isn't cutting it for these Baltimore County students.
We think kids like us should go back to school. It's not fair for us to not get a choice. I just really want to bring back schools. Every day I've been getting headaches about maybe 4 hours into school.
Parents, grandparents, local leaders, kids frustrated and now rallying to bring back in-person learning.
If I'm safe at my hospital working, there's no reason we can't keep the teachers and the students safe in the school setting.
Carolyn Robinson works as a respiratory therapist at an area hospital and says she understands the safety concerns, but says there has to be a compromise. She, like many parents, worry about screen time and lack of social interaction.
But I see her change in mood, her change in attitude. This isn't working anymore.
CABCO President Cindy Sexton says many teachers also want to be back, but others have underlying conditions or concerns that students won't keep their masks on and that schools are not properly ventilated.
Educators want to be back in the schools with their students. They really do when it is safe and healthy to do so.
Baltimore City School CEO says virtual learning is still the most effective option for them, but not every student has the best resources.
There is a cost to keeping kids safe. There is a cost to keeping staff safe. There is a cost to bridging the digital divide that still is in place.
BCPS released a statement saying the health and safety of the BCPS community is our top priority. As we continue navigating through a global pandemic, we are relying on our health partners to advise us so we can make the best decisions we can for students and staff. Now, I spoke to BCPS this afternoon, and they told me that after the second semester, so at the end of January, beginning of February, they are planning to transition into a hybrid model with some in-person learning, as long as it's safe to do so. They say a full breakdown of their plan is available online. We're live in Baltimore County tonight. I'm Rachel Carden for WJZ.